Enabling G-Sync can provide several benefits for gamers, especially if you have a compatible monitor and NVIDIA graphics card. Some of the reasons why you might want to consider enabling G-Sync. Reduces input lag. G-Sync can help reduce input lag, which is the delay between your actions and the corresponding display on the screen. G-Sync also synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing. So watch this video to learn how to enable G-Sync in a quick and easy way. First, open your Start menu. Type NVIDIA Control Panel. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Setup G-Sync. Select Enable G-Sync. Select Enable Full Screen Mode. Press Apply to apply the settings. Now your problem should be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.